Hello, my dear friends. Welcome you all to the Hearts University official YouTube channel. I will give you the knowledge about project management in detail throughout this video series. And most importantly, all these videos are linked with each other. So if you haven't go through the previous videos, go through them and come back to this video since it would be much more easier for you to understand these upcoming videos well. So without any delay, let's move to the video. Right. I believe, we hope you all are having kind of an idea about what scope is. And I told you that scope should be unique. That's why the word unique has been highlighted here in this definition. And our next characteristic is cost. But at the first glance, there is no a kind of an evidence regarding the cost. Therefore, you might have a kind of a question: from where did you get this the word cost, right? But you should have to know that in order to achieve the output, I mean the goal, right? There should be a work to be adapted, and for that resources of the company, then let's say financial resources, then organizational resources like such as the engineers of the company, then the managers, then accountants, and so on. All these people, engineers, accountants, all these people's expertise knowledge should be used, right? Therefore, it's kind of a cost to the company, right? Therefore, as a company, right, they should have to focus when they are focusing on projects. They should have to distinguish the cost to be adapted for these projects, as well as they should have to have an idea about the benefits of the project, since in order to cover the cost plus to gain the profit, right? That's something else. We will talk about that later. Right, I just want to focus these three characteristics that comes this stage that come to this stage with the after going through the definition that has been given for a project, right? First one is time, scope. Scope should be unique, right? If it is not unique, then it is not project. I told you that, right? The day-to-day operations, they are not unique, right? Same thing, same goal, same whatever the output, plus the same working procedure is adapted. So then there is no a unique scope. It's like day-to-day operations, right? And then third characteristic was cost, and I told you that how cost comes to the party, right? We call these three characteristics the triple constraints of project management, right? We will look into these three characteristics in detail manner in next slide. Right. As I mentioned you earlier, these three characteristics, time, cost, and scope, are the edges of project management triangle. In other words, we call project management triple constraint. And the most important thing is these three edges are interdependent with each other. Let's say, if you, for instance, let's say a company needs to innovate, needs to invent two new super luxury vehicles. One is a car, and one is, let's say, a jeep, right? And let's say at this moment, at the beginning, the time duration of this project was 1 year, and they had hired 50 experts like technologists, engineers, and so on. 50 people to assign to these two projects, and the project is currently going on, let's say, and after end of like 2 months, the management takes a decision, we should have to finish this project within 8 months, not in 12 months, not within a year. We should have finished it within 8 months, right? Then since the time, I mean the duration has been reduced here, therefore in order to achieve the same scope in the sense, in order to invent these two vehicles within the 8 months period, they should have to hire new people. Hire new people is let's say there is kind of a capacity of every workman, right? I mean there are 50 people, and these 50 people can do a kind of task within a day, right? Therefore, in order to finish this with 8 months, they should have to hire new people. If not, these 50 people should have to work overtime, right? In order to hire or in order to work overtime, there is the kind of additional cost for this, right? In other words, the cost is increased, right? If not, they can do something like this. If they want to if they want to invent these two vehicles within 8 months, then they can reduce their scope, right? Let's say they can whatever, let's say they can focus on only one vehicle if they need, right? That's why I wanted to highlight you these three terms, I mean scope, time and cost, are interdependent in a project, right? If you want to reduce the time, you should have to reduce the scope, or you should have increased the cost. Sometimes if you want to change one element, one edge, both the edges or at least one edge should have to be changed. It is obvious here in this, right? That's why we call that these three features, I mean these three terms are depend with each other, right? Hope you all got it.